Hello, everybody. Darwin Fortuna here, Fortuna Flow. It's been a little while. We had a birthday party for my niece, first year old. Congratulations. Happy birthday to Gianella, the most beautiful thing. She's actually second and third and fourth to my kids. But we're here, ready to go. All right, so no joke, a lot of blood. Last time I streamed, I was very negative about the amount of losses I've had. Some people DM me, some people called me, some people were like, "Are you okay? Are you suicidal or anything like that?" I'm like, "No, never been, never will." No, 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 no. I just wanted to really be honest, like I've always been, right? I've had good days and I've had bad days, right? This year, the bad days have been really substantial for all of you, for all of us, everybody. And to put things in perspective, Mark Zuckerberg has lost 71 billion this year, right? So, and he's not jumping off anything yet. So, putting things in perspective, we are all losing a whole lot of money. It's not really, fun. It's not really cool. The markets are really horrible right now. The Feds are meeting on Wednesday, 2 days from now. Put it on your calendar on the 21st. And they're likely to increase interest rates by 75 a quarter, 3/4%, 0.75. That's what everybody's expecting. But there is a rumor that says that it may go as high as 100 basis points, which is 1%. That would be colossal. That would really create so much pain right now. But again, looking at things in perspective, Mark Zuckerberg has lost 71 billion. So if all of you are still around, he's still around, that's all good. Hey, no financial advice, but I'm telling you, it could be worse. It could be worse, and it's not only you. It would be bad if everything happened and you're like, I'm the only one that's losing money. No, no, no. All of us are losing money right now, okay? Look at the market. So the market went from yesterday was really red. Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday was really, 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 really red. Like it was a disaster. Me and my brother Flocky were looking at the market, and it just looked horrible, horrible, horrible. Today we've recovered a little bit. Bitcoin is slightly just above 19,000 even, so 19,500. Not bad for the day. But the one that got slaughtered, Ethereum got slaughtered. And I have some theories about it, and I'm gonna share some of the theories with you. But even the stable coins are depegging. USDC, which is Coinbase, and USDT, which is Tether. They're a little bit depegged from the dollar right now. Solana has been going up a little bit. Avalanche has been going up a little bit. So we are recovering from yesterday's sell-off, okay? It was just a nightmare sell-off, and I'll tell you exactly why that's happening. So we have a 78% expectation from the Feds that we will go up by 0.75%, 0.5% to 0.75%. But 22% of the people suddenly between yesterday and the day before started weighing in on the idea, or thinking of the idea, or actually preparing for the idea that the market may actually, the interest may actually go up by 100%, by 1%, meaning 100 basis points. And that caused exactly what happened, a cascade of liquidations. All right, so as you guys know, Feds are meeting on September 21st, which is the first day, the end of our official summer and the beginning of fall. But also, they're just, we're concerned that we're going to be hitting, we're definitely going to be the highest we've been since 2018, or even before 2018. Okay? This is going to be colossal. This is the most we've been in a while. And I think that's going to cause people to, the Feds to they're gonna be stuck. That's all I'm thinking. They're gonna be stuck. They're gonna probably have to start reducing the amount of interest, or decreasing the interest rate soon, because they don't want to tip us into a recession. At least I don't think they will. I don't think they want to. But that's what's happening. So you guys know we peaked inflation at 9.1, and we've gone down substantially. We're gonna get another reading on October. So on October, we're gonna find out whether we have gone up or down. So they're expecting already. It says that they're expecting. So previous was 8.3. They're forecasting that it's going to still be at 8.3. So that's what they're expecting. Another bar exactly at the same level, which is good. It's not going up. Not going up means it's going down. All right. So overall, the market, we are below the 1 trillion market cap, as you guys know. Most coins have recovered slightly this today, with one of them being at the top. Which one is the highest recovery? On the Near protocol is up 1.3% the last hour. The last 24-hour, BNB is 2%. Solana is one of the biggest players in the last 24 hours, actually. It's recovered the most. And Sheep has been one of the ones that have recovered the most too. So not bad at all. Let me just delete that. But overall, thank God we're not going down anymore, right? That's all we can ask for. And Ethereum has recovered about 2.8%, but it went down hard. Let's look at the charts. So starting with Ethereum, actually. So Ethereum went down. I'm just gonna come from here. 11%, right? 11%. And now it's recovered off of that. It's recovered about 7. So not bad. It still has 4 to 5 more percent to go to be able to be above the 1400 levels that we want to see it at. You guys know we were expecting the merge. The merge came and went, and it was nothing. There was just a bunch of nothing burger, right? So we didn't necessarily rally up. We didn't necessarily go to the 2000s. None of that happened. And more I keep learning, or I keep convincing myself that the buy the rumor, sell the news is something so predictable, right? So Ethereum went as high as like 1700, and that's it. When the merge happened, that's it. So ever since it went that level, 1700, it just collapsed 27%. So the merge didn't cause it to rally or anything like that. It's just created, I would say it created opportunities for those that believe in Ethereum long term, that believe in crypto long term. Okay, if you believe in crypto long term, this is just another reason or another excuse to keep buying the dip. Okay, so in the micro right now, it looks like a reversal. We are slightly oversold, and we have kissed the 1300 level of support, and now we bounce right back up. The orange line is above the blue line, which is bullish, and the RSIs are overbought, so it's pretty bullish right now. So we're good. That's pretty good, at least on the very short term, which is the 45-minute chart. Solana, it's been one of the biggest gainers, as I showed you before. It's up about 7% for the day, 7.5% for the day. It really held very strongly in comparison with others. Like, for instance, Ethereum Classic and Solana were both at about the same level at some point. And Ethereum Classic went higher than Solana. Solana has remained between the $30 and $34 range for a very long time. Like, I cannot even lie about that. 30 and 34 range for a very, very long time. So we're talking about in counts of days. Let me see how I can count days. Date and price range. Oh, I guess I can do that. So it's been in the 34 to 30% for the last 6 days, or 199 bars. And that's been the range. The last 6 days or so, it's been going like that. But even so, even before, you know, the higher it went was 38, and I sold some of it at that level. So yeah, the last week's been pretty interesting for that. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin bounced up, and it's been bouncing steady, more and more. So which is very interesting. So we've been up again, like I said, 7%. We kissed the 18,300 level and bounced right back up right after it. If my theory of Bitcoin bottoming all the way back in June is true, this is just another higher low. Okay, this is just another higher low. Not much to worry about. Overall, the markets started red and turned green. crude oil is red, which I really, really like. I really like when crude oil is red. And I really like when, everything is recovering very steady, right? Everything is recovering. The dollar, by the way, is pretty strong right now. So the dollar has gone up substantially too. So that's another one that hurts the entire crypto market and the stocks because they have an inverse relationship with them. Okay. So any other news that I can talk about? As you guys know, Do Kwon, the founder of Terra Luna, he has been he has a warrant against him by Korea. So South Korea is looking for Mr. Do Kwon. Supposedly he left Singapore and now we don't know where he is. So he founded Terra Luna, and you guys probably heard Terra Luna went down to zero. ED pegged from $1 UST, and it went all the way down. It's still down substantially. I was charting it for a while, and I don't think I keep charting it anymore. But again, everything is rebounding nicely. I think that was it. That was a bloodbath. I don't, no financial advice. I hope not more. I unfortunately didn't take advantage of the deeps this weekend because I was very focused on family, very focused on my niece. But also I didn't have a whole lot of money to spend anyway. So even if I was looking at the chart, I would just be tormented because I didn't have any money to buy more. But again, I'm well positioned. I am still in a very good position within my margin of loss, right? Like, if you have a 2-to-1 ratio, like you are willing to lose 1 in order to win 2, I am pretty good on that sense. So I have not fallen below my ratio. And again, like I said, Ethereum has been just not much from it. I don't know if you guys are aware that a fork happened with Ethereum. A fork is when they basically duplicate a chain or a change literally, and then they create another chain. They created a copy of Ethereum, like 100% copy of Ethereum prior to the merge. And it was selling really high. It was selling like $150. Okay. So it was selling really, really high. But look what happened to that coin. It went down from, well, right now I can only see $60 on this exchange. Let me see how I can show it. Price range. So it went down 91%. If you have some of those tokens for which if you held any Ethereum, you should have. If you have your own keys, of course, if you have your own wallet, not your coins, not your keys, not your coins. So if you have that, you can dump them. I think this is just a scam, and I unfortunately don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And trust me, I'm not trying to be a hater of Ethereum proof of work. Like, I wish there was a proof of work Ethereum. I'm telling you from the deepest of my heart, I wish there was one. But that one to me is Ethereum Classic. That's it. And why? Because I've lost a lot of money on Bitcoin on crypto mining right now. Like, all my rigs are useless. I turned them all off. Everything's off. We're not making any money on those. So right now, if anybody wants some rigs, call me, DM me, put me a comment. Let's see if I can sell them for a good price with you. Because I have no use to them right now. And that's it overall. Okay, so oh yeah, look, this is another thing that happened. Ethereum proof of work was actually immediately hacked. Like that coin should just go to zero, and we should get it out as soon as possible because it's just creating problems. It's just creating issues that we do not want. It got attacked already. Is a smart contract platform got attacked. It's just not good. All right, so we got to get it out of the system. So overall, that's it. There've been a lot of things going on with the regulators too. A lot of meetings, a lot of hearings with the regulators, which are really interesting. It looks like the CFTC is the one that will be regulating crypto because it's a commodity. At least Bitcoin's a commodity. It's been deemed a commodity. Ethereum, they don't know whether it's a commodity or a security. But Bitcoin is a commodity, and the CFTC is the one that looks like will be taking over that, and I think it will be great because Mr. Gary Gensler is being just a hater of crypto. We really, it's just horrible. All right, that's it. That's the market update for you. What to expect? Just prepare for September 21st. Set up your alarm, set up your reminders that the Feds are going to be meeting. There's going to be a whole lot of volatility, a lot of up and down. If the market gets a 0.75% or even 0.5%, 0.5% interest rates increase, it will bounce really strong. If it gets a 100 basis points, meaning 1% increase, it will crash really, really, really bad. So be ready for that. That was it. Darwin Fortuna here. One thing, guys, before I let you go and before you forget, we are right now on second place on the film challenge for the American Institute of Architects. Our video is called The Change We Seek. We have 755 votes. First place has just about 800 votes, which is right here, 806 votes right now, actually. So, and we are just like 50 votes away from them or so. That means that with 50 of you that watch my channel, that love me and love what we do, can really go ahead and vote. And it's simple. You registered. You click on our video. Very straightforward. Once you click on the video, it's gonna say vote, and you just click on it and vote, and that's it. So let's go for the win. It will be great. It will be amazing. Enjoy the video too, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.